Hi, here we will see the string buffer class and its predefined methods. So here we are having so many methods in the string buffer class. First we will see the difference between string class and string buffer class. String class is used to create a string with a fixed length, but string buffer class creates the string with a flexible length, so it can be modified. This one is immutable, right? And the string buffer class is mutable, okay, because we can get the variable length of the string buffer class are declared as final, and string buffer class defines as follow with the three types of constructors. The first one is string buffer class without arguments. Okay, here it will create empty object with the initial capacity of 16 number of characters. And second constructor, string buffer with passing the capacity of that particular variable we are going to create as an object. Here creates an empty object with given capacity not less than 0. So here that capacity will assigned to that particular variable to store that particular string. For example, if you are giving the capacity is 10, then 10 memory locations will be allotted to that particular object. Then third one is string buffer. Here we are passing the string as an argument. Here create the string buffer object with passing an string object. Here the initial capacity of the string buffer is 16 memory locations, and also with the length of this string will be added into that 16 memory locations. The value of str cannot be null, so here you cannot pass the empty string. We should pass the specified string as an argument to this third constructor. So we are having three types of constructors in the string buffer class. Here we will see the example. Class is created and main method is defined. Here in this main method we are getting the variable by using string buffer class. So here the default constructor with respect to string buffer class, as per our statement, here the capacity for this string buffer default constructor is 16 memory locations. So here you see we are trying to print the sb1 capacity. Sb1 capacity is here 16 characters, 16 memory locations, right? Then here we are trying to find out length of the string which we passed here. Here nothing we are passing here, so the length of the string is here 0. And next one is we are creating the variable sb2 by using the string buffer by passing the capacity is integer variable, that is integer value. So integer value we are passing 10. Okay, so as per the statement here, the string capacity, when we are passing, only whatever capacity we are assigning here, that will be given to store that particular string. So as per that, when you are checking the capacity of the variable sb2, here whatever integer value we assigned, that is the capacity of that particular string buffer class length, right? And length of this string is nothing we are passing here. Okay, there is no string we passed here, so the length of that string is 0. And we are creating third variable sb3 with respect to string buffer class. Here we are passing the string as an argument. So here the string is having length 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so length of the string is 7. So as per the statement here, the already for empty constructor we will use 16 memory locations capacity, and plus this length of the string. So length of the string is here 7, so 16 plus 7 is 23. That means welcome is having 7 length, and already 16 is there, so 16 plus 7 is the capacity of the string 23. Then length of the string here sb, here sb3. Okay, sb 3, right? So the length of the string of sb3 is here 7, so that 7 is printed here, right? So this string buffer is used to identify these different methods, and append method is there in string buffer class, which is used to append any data type with the string. The syntax is given here: append of the boolean variable b. So as per this, string buffer sb3 is the variable with respect to string buffer class. The welcome is the string we are passing. Then we are trying to append the VIT with the SB3. SB3 is having welcome. So now we will get welcome VIT. So the string is appended to this SB3, right? Likewise, insert method is used to insert any data into string at any location. So here we will have the method insert with the position, right, offset and integer I, right? So here we are passing that values. So insert here, this is offset, and here we will pass the string. We will pass the string, okay, string, right? And here sb3 we are having string buffer welcome VIT, and I want to the insert the 2 at the location of 8. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in the eighth location, okay, eighth location is v. So in the place of eighth location we are going to insert to by using the insert method to the string sb3. So when you are looking that, you look at here in the eighth location we have inserted the string 2. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, space is 7, 2 is at the eighth location. So like that we can use the insert method. Likewise, delete method is used to delete a substring from the specified beginning index to end index. So for that we have to pass starting index and ending index. As usual, sb3 is the variable with respect to string buffer class. We are having the string as an argument welcome VIT. So here we are inserting the 2 at 8th position. So we have inserted, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Seventh place is space, then 8. So at the eighth place 2 is inserted. Then we are deleting the deleting the character from 8th position to 16th position. So now 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so here we are going to delete from 8th position to 16th position. So when you are deleting that, right, you will lose, you will lost this string substring. So after that, when you are printing, only you will get from 0 to 6, 0 to 6. Okay, so the 0 to 7, so 0 to 7 is space. Okay, so you will get 0 to 7. So delete method is used to substring from the given string, and replace method is used to replaces the part of the substring with another substring. So here replace starting index, ending index, and the string what we are going to pass. So here as usual sb3 is the variable with respect to string buffer class. Welcome is the string we are passing. Now sb3 is having the string welcome. Now we are replacing the replacing the string by from the third index to seventh index. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so from the third index we are going to replace by using done, done. So here WLELDONE. So that's what here we are replacing. So well done, right? That is the thing. So here VIT is not there because our string is this one, right? And the next one, reversing the given string. So reverses the content available in the string buffer and store it in the same string buffer object. So object is created with respect to sb3 variable using string buffer class. Here welcome v8 API is there. So now I am reversing this value which is available in the SB3. So you look at that, we it is reversed and printed here. So these are all string buffer class methods which are very useful. And another one is toString method. It is representing the object of string buffer class into a string. So SB3 is the variable object created by using string buffer class, which is having welcome. So here we are reversing the string. So from the string buffer class, suppose if you want to converted into string variable, okay, string buffer is different class, string is another class. So the value which is available from the string buffer class variable converted into normal data type, primitive data type, to primitive data type string by using the toString method. Then we are printing. So here after reversing the value which is showing here. So this toString is used to convert the string buffer class variable value into normal primitive data type value. Thanks for watching.